This video was inspired by watching a video of a 16-year-old successfully completing her first solo flight in an Icarus C-42 at Popham Airfield, Hampshire, UK in early 2019. Ultralights USA or Microlight UK offer a much more affordable way for people to enjoy learning to fly and owning their own aircraft. Ultralight flying is growing in popularity due to advances in materials and innovations in design. Microlight aircraft manufacturers all over the world offer a growing number of light aircraft with surprisingly good performance and comfort. As well as lower costs than conventional general aviation aircraft, microlights and ultralights offer an authentic stick and rudder experience, often with the wind in your face, although there are many that offer the comfort of an enclosed cockpit. Mention microlights to non-flyers and they probably think of flex-wing microlights, with a single or two seats in tandem suspended underneath. But as all aviators know, the world of microlights includes many types, including fixed-wing aircraft that at first glance look like any other general aviation light aircraft. The advantages of microlights are many. They are cheaper to buy and maintain, they can operate out of small airfields and farm strips, and they are much more fuel efficient. This reduces the cost per hour of flying and makes them an ideal choice for recreational pilots as well as for some flight training schools who want an ab initio training aircraft. Microlights have flown all around the world, albeit with a lot of refueling stops. And it's not unusual for UK owners to spend a few days flying south to visit European and Mediterranean countries. These aircraft can be bought in kit form, thus reducing the cost and giving you the satisfaction of building it yourself, or they can be bought ready to fly, for those keen simply to get airborne. The cost can be reduced still further by joining or forming a syndicate of owners. This method also brings the advantages of shared experiences, tips and advice, and the social side of it. So if you are attracted to flying low and slow in VFR conditions, perhaps hopping from airfield to farm strip, then here are just 3 examples of aircraft for sale. 1. The Icarus C-42. The German-built Icarus C-42 ultralight or microlight is a best-seller. It first flew in 1996 and quickly became a popular choice among flying schools and private pilot owners. It has 2 side-by-side seats and a single central control stick, though the rudders are dual-controlled. The cabin is actually 10 inches wider than a Cessna 152's. There are 4 variants, A and B models, each with a Rotax 912 or a 912S engine. So depending on the variant, the range is about 375 nautical miles, or 800 nautical miles with long-range tanks. The price for a new Icarus C-42 is about 42 to 62,000 euros, or 48,000 to 71,000 US dollars, depending on variant and extras. 2. The Remos G3 Mirage and Remos GX. Another high-wing, 2-seat Rotax 912 powered ultralight from Germany is the Remos G3 Mirage and Remos GX. This aircraft provides a gentle introduction to flying for student pilots and is a popular choice among experienced pilots as well. Again, the cockpit is wider than a Cessna 150-152. The range of a Remos GX is about 480 nautical miles, whereas the Remos GX-IS will take you about 780 nautical miles. You can pick up a 10-year-old Remos for about 60 to 70,000 US dollars or 47 to 55,000 pounds. But if you want a brand new one, it will cost you twice that amount. 3. The Eurofly Mini Fox. If you want bare bones flying with no frills at all, how about the Eurofly Mini Fox? This is a single-seat monoplane that has no cockpit as such, merely a seat, stick and rudders, and minimal instruments. It requires a takeoff run of at least 70 meters and a minimum of 75 meters to land. The wings can be detached in minutes and the aircraft can be disassembled for tidy storage or trailer. The price is around £20,400, 26,000 US dollars or 23,000 euros. Those are just 3 of the many types available. You can pick up second-hand ultralights for a few £1,000s, and as you can see from the aforementioned prices, you can spend much more for a new aircraft with all the latest gadgets and gizmos. If there's one disadvantage to microlights, it's the fact that being so light, there are some that are not suitable for the heavier person when flying with an instructor. But if you decide to try one out, the Flying Club will be able to advise you on that score. To fly microlights in the UK, you need an NPPL, a National Private Pilot's Licence. The NPPL is UK specific and doesn't necessarily mean you can fly outside UK airspace with this alone. For more information about microlight flying in the UK, visit the British Microlight Association's website at www.bmaa.org. For more information about ultralight flying in the USA, visit the United States Ultralight Association's website at www.usua.org. And for more information about microlight flying in India, visit the Directorate General of Civil Aviation's website at dgca.nic.in.